Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
You got
These are a one ohm? Or what do you wire to?
Half per inch strap.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa. How much lithium is that?
110.
Okay. And is it stub still breaking in?
Yeah, literally, I picked them up coming in the driveway.
Okay. What subs are they?
They're basically Frankenstein Sundown.
Okay.
Yeah, I picked them up last Friday. Had to make some modifications to them. Picked them back up today and installed them here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So how big are the subs? Like, what are they rated at? Because they're custom. You don't know?
Have no clue.
Okay.
Zv5 Motors, Basket, and a bunch of other special stuff.
Okay. And what's it tuned to? The wall?
Was 42.
42? Okay.
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Yep.
Literally, these subs ain't got 10 minutes worth of playtime on them. Oh, we're gonna see the shit out of here.
And I don't never want to stop, but I hustle like I'm still a rock.
Making videos. You need to come over and get one of my cools. Bring them out.
got through here in the Barca.
The what?
Barca. The Alfred Van. Yeah. Yeah, they're so good.
What are they exactly?
A little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Zv5 when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.